That's how Davido put his entire crew in his private jet and flew down straight to Dakar in Senegal, where Haley, his baby mama, was hosting the second daughter birthday in Senegal. Now, Davido, if you have seen Haley, you would definitely know that Haley is the female version of Davido. The striking resemblance is too much. It's just too much, guys. Anyway, Davido, the crew member, all storm Dakar in Senegal for the daughter 8 years birthday party, which was all awesome. You could see the reborn union, and you could, if you listen to the video while you're watching, you could hear the video say, "My daughter has missed me a lot. I told you my daughter has missed me a lot and can't wait to see me." You see the hug for over 40 seconds before he dropped the baby down, and they went straight to sit and had fun with the little girl for her birthday. Enjoy this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
Why are you saying it? Talk to us nicely. Hey! 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 Fuck! Hey! 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 I gotta shoot a cover! I gotta shoot a cover! This how we. What are you doing? Don't play. Yeah. Finance. Very good. Yeah, baby.
Alors, tous les enfants sont demandés du temps avant l'arrivée du gâteau.